Hello guys, how are you all? This is another playlist where I'm gonna upload solution to the LeetCode problems. Let's see the first problem. Problem is to sum. Given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, it is quite an easy problem. See, now there are two inputs. One is an array of numbers and another is target. We need to see in the array is there any two numbers which when added you get the target, and when that happens you just need to return the position of those two numbers. That will be all. See the given example. The array values are 2, 7, 11 and 15 and the target is 9. Now we need to find any two numbers in the given array and their summation must be equal to our target. Here sum of 2 and 7 will give us 9, so just return the indices. They'll be 0 and 1. Let's code this. Let's declare an array of size 2 which will hold our result. I use two loops that iterate through the array. See, what we need here is to compare every element with the other. So the loop will compare, considering given example, it will compare 2 with 7, 2 with 11, 2 with 15, next 7 with 11, 7 with 15 and so on. And at the same time it should add these two numbers and need to check if their sum equals our target. If so, just copy their positions in the result and return the answer. Yeah, that's the end. I hope it works. Thanks for watching this.